This is our mock-up for a Lanair waste oil burning heater inlet fuel plumbing. Remove vacuum gauge to avoid damaging it during the cleaning process. Have your small drain pan ready for this. Oil will come out. Pull the entire assembly up out of the tank and tip it upside down into a drain bucket. Remove the foot valve strainer and the elbow if there is one on your plumbing. Now push down with your finger on the check valve. That will let the oil flow throughout the filter and drain the filter. Now remove filter retaining bolt. Note the O-ring on the filter retaining bolt. Do not throw out the parts in the bottom of the cup. There's a spring and a small seal that goes on the bottom of the filter. Sometimes it will stay on the filter, sometimes it will stay on the cup post. Don't lose them. Here's a look at all of the parts that should be in the filter when it's assembled correctly. Place the O-ring into the post seal. It's a cup-shaped seal. O-ring facing into the metal cup, seal cup. Then O-ring onto our retaining bolt. This is very important. Place the spring on the retaining bolt post, then our post seal, rubber side up. Very important to have that in and correct. Place the filter on the post, touching the post seal. Be certain to get the cup O-ring in place correctly. It's very common to have it pinched or not in the cup correctly. Here's another view. Spring first, retaining post seal Next, rubber side up. Slide your filter element in, rubber side up. Place the cup O-ring in place. Be certain that the rubber on the top of the filter element goes inside of the filter correctly and is not crushed or kinked. You'll see in the next view a better view. Make sure the rubber goes into the filter head without being kinked or crushed. Be certain that the filter cup O-ring stays in place, not falling out or getting pinched in the seal surface. This is the foot valve that is at the bottom of the pickup tube down in the tank. It comes apart into two pieces. Be sure to put a pipe nipple or the filter back in so you don't crush the brass fitting when you take it apart. Bite it in a vise, and when they're brand new, they are extremely tight. It is a simple needle and seat type check valve. Note the direction of the spring. The narrow end goes the same direction the needle is pointing. Small cage that holds the needle and the spring. You'll find lots of goo on these after about 800 hours of runtime. Make sure you have a pipe nipple in it when you bite it in the vise, otherwise you'll crush the brass. Here's the vice cam view. Don't forget to clean the filter behind the pump cover. They are either Allen head bolts or 5/16 hex bolts. There's a small filter and a cork gasket. Clean thoroughly and replace. We used all clean items for this demonstration. Obviously, after yours has been running with waste oil, everything should be filthy dirty. Clean it thoroughly. All items that you remove, clean them thoroughly. Back to bare metal.